Hi, I'm Eric, ICI Home Sales Agent here in Nocatee. Today I'm coming to you from the great community of 20 Mile, and the community is called The Colony. Behind me is one of our award-winning floor plans called the Egret VII floor plan. It's over 2,800 square foot home. You can tell it's a 3-car garage, it's a split garage, brick paver driveway. This is our coastal elevation. So as we come on inside, whoop, you see the high ceilings, 12-foot ceilings through the main living of this home. Tray ceilings as well inside. As you come on over here, beautiful kitchen area. You can tell this home is still in construction. It will be done within the next 3 or 4 weeks. As my partner sort of scans around over here, we have an office space that you could put French doors on, barn doors on, whatever you want. Still 12-foot ceilings, a lot of can lights, natural lights. Because of the 12-foot ceilings in this home, we're able to have these transom windows over here above the sliders, and in the breakfast nook, which we're going to show you in a second, lets a lot more light into the home. As she comes on around, here is the breakfast nook. Once again, beautiful. This home backs up to the conservation. That's what you're looking out through these windows as well. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's a split floor plan, so you have the 3 bedrooms on this side and the owner's suite on the other. A large laundry room, big island, more than enough room to sit 4 chairs out here. But I want to take you out back to see this wonderful conservation view that we have. As my partner comes on out back here, you can still see 12-foot ceilings again. Just a really amazing floor plan. Beautiful views out back here. Conservation, it's just wonderful. More than enough room to put a pool in if you want to. And as you look behind me over here, we pre-plumbed it for an outdoor kitchen, which you can still do. So come on out to the Colony and see myself or my wife, Kelly, and let us show you this home. Gotta go, bye.